Okay. Okay. Hey. don't. Okay. Just like and follow, dude. Come on, let's go. Don't cover your hand up. Alright, just go. Hang on. We're not even there yet. Hang on.
He said no.
That's what it was. I could tell you're over there.
That's what I dropped. That's when he told me he was going to do it for $700. Hey man, are you trying to be funny ass with me?
No.
Seriously.
Yo, Dad, I'm sorry. Dad, I'm sorry.
He did that on purpose.
What happened?
He said he from the back of it on purpose.
I don't think he did. He wouldn't do that.
Did you pop your lips on?
Get in the shower. Evan.
No, man, come on, man. I'm not in the mood for your games.
Dad, I'm sorry.